In this video, we are going to go over the GoTo workflow action in the Workflow Builder. So this action can be used to move a contact from one point in a workflow to any other step in the workflow without having to repeat workflow actions. So here I have an example of a workflow where our triggers are form submit, order submit, or survey submit. And then we're sending an SMS. And then which item was submitted. I have an if-else action here. So you'll see three branches that I created: form submit, survey submit, and order submit. And then I'm tagging the clients based on which form they submit. And then I'm creating action items to send an SMS, an email, and then an internal notification to team members. So with the GoTo action, I want to go from add tag, survey submit, and then I want to go over here and send the same SMS, email, and internal notifications. I also want to do the same for order submit. So to do that, I'm going to click on the plus icon here. Go ahead and select the GoTo action item, save action, and then you're going to see this green dot here with a bunch of little green dots to where you can drag this to. So for this, I want to take this dot, click it, drag and drop, and I want it to go over here to SMS. So now when they submit a survey, they're going to get tagged, and then it's going to go over here, send them an SMS, an email, and an internal notification. So I want to do the same thing over here with order submit. So I'm going to do the same thing. Click here, add GoTo, save action, click on this, drag it, and drop it. So here I'm doing the same thing. They're getting tagged, GoTo, SMS, email, and internal notification. If at any time you add these and you want to unlink, just click on this little icon right here, and then it's going to give you this pop-up. Are you sure you want to remove this path? If not, click on cancel. If you do, click on remove path, and then here you'll see the little green dot again where you can click it and drag it to where you want it to go.